Now, I used Canva years ago, and you know what? I can't remember why I stopped. Let's give Canva another go before I need to let it go. And to test this out, I'm going to recreate the thumbnail in the style of Drake's meme. Okay, that's done. So let's go to Canva. So now that I've got this in, I can click background remover and, well, couldn't get past not being able to cut images out. When you're doing thumbnails, that's all you do. I eventually found a program that I have used since, Pixlr E. Now, I don't have an affiliate for either of these programs. Definitely not Canva after this. Now, up the top right here, remove background. Now, you can do it in Pixlr E itself, but there's also this separate program. And if I just open image, I click on it, apply, and while I'm talking to you, it's actually just done it. If you're using Canva, you can use this as a standalone program. You can then cut out your images and then you can go back to Canva. But you're already here, so you might as well stay with Pixlr. It's done a great job, but my hair, unfortunately, I probably should have had a darker background. And now I just need to fine tune it a little bit. My hair's gone a little bit crazy, so I'm going to just get rid of the cowlick. Okay, I think I've counted about 5 different ways you can do it in Pixlr. There are no choices in Canva, but I'm still going to see if I can recreate this in Canva. Okay, so let's edit image, and we want to add a field. Oh, solid color. Where's the solid color? Background. All right. Solid color. Let's go with yellow. All right, we've got some solid color, although that's for the background. Let's just edit image, shapes. Okay, shapes. Let's make it the yellow. Blending. Where's blending? See, I can't even do blending. I'm sure there's a way to do this. I do remember when I was using Canva all the time, I just got frustrated. There was just little things that I can't do. And I'm sure I could find blending if I really looked. And not being able to make transparent backgrounds for thumbnails, for anything, for digital images. I'm sorry, but it's a deal breaker. So let's do this on Pixlr. Okay, let's open this image. Let's find the one that I just did. Oh, it's even getting the sizing right. My whole thing is supporting Christian creators in making not just great thumbnails, but making them better. And when you're starting out, you can't afford these things. So now rectangle, let's make a rectangle. And I find these tools just very more, well, intuitive, I guess. And if we just go to blending mode and I think darken. Oh, look, there is the Drake's meme right there. Everything makes more sense. And if you want to make your thumbnails so much better, I have this video where you can make your thumbnails just 2 types of ways. And all of your thumbnails will be so much better. Go do something else and forgot, and I'll catch you in the next one.